Hey, Mike Gates here with WpURLrotator, and this is just a quick video to show you how to install the rotator on WordPress. It's a WordPress plugin, so it installs just like you would install any other plugin, but in case you don't know how to do that, here's what you will do. First of all, hopefully you have already downloaded the plugin. It's called WpURLrotator.zip. It's a zip file. And you don't want to unzip it or anything like that because WordPress will take care of that for you. So now we need to go to WordPress, and I'm in my Builderall account because I like hosting my WordPress blogs with Builderall because I also have drag-and-drop site builder and autoresponder and a lot of other really great tools. And I'm going to leave a link in the description below in case you want to check out Builderall because it's really awesome, and you can get a 14-day free trial. But anyway, so let's go to my WordPress blog, and hopefully you know how to go to your admin area of your WordPress blog. And so I'm already logged in here. So what we want to do is we want to go to Plugins and then Add New. Then we're going to upload a plugin. We need to browse, and we need to find our zip file. Now I put mine on my desktop, so it's in my desktop folder here. It might be in your downloads folder. If you don't tell the download to send it to a specific location, it's probably going to be in your downloads folder. So anyway, WpURLrotator, and then we're going to open that, and then we'll install now. And WordPress will go do its magic, and then we'll see that it installed successfully. Now we're just going to activate the plugin, and I don't want this. This has got nothing to do with me. Okay, so now you can see that the WpURLrotator is installed. So when you click on that, it'll say, hey, you have to create a rotator here, and then you can add links to your rotator. So you can just go here, create a rotator. I'm going to call it, we'll just call it Mike's. Mike's, you probably don't want to use a space. It's best not to use a space. And then a default link, we'll just use my main website. And the reason that you want to put in a default link is if you don't have any links installed, or you don't have any links that are active, you don't want to be losing traffic that may be coming to your rotator link, and so you want to have a default link in here. So now my rotator is installed. Now I just want to manage links on that rotator, and as you can see, you can also add more rotators. And so here you just add new links. Let's see. Oh, I'm a big NHL fan, so we'll just go to NHL.com. Add link. And it's really that simple to add links. And then once you have your links added, then this will be the URL that you will use to send traffic to. And every time you do, then the hits will rotate through your different URLs. So that's basically it. If you need anything, let me know. Thanks. Bye.